Welcome to the BADM 110 class for the summer 7-week course. My name is Carmen Smalley. I am your instructor for this class. This class is normally a 16-week class condensed down to 7 weeks for this summer. I just want to make sure that you're all aware of that. Sometimes students sign up for classes and they're not always quite sure what they're getting into. This class does officially start on June 26th. And then runs through August 7th is the last day of class. However, because we kind of start on Sunday, any assignments and all that type of stuff, that's actually due on Friday. So you actually have until Friday, August 12th to get any assignments in that you might have missed. As you can see, you can probably see my screen. So I just want to show you where to get started. Couple important things is one, this is an inclusive access course, meaning that you paid through your course fees to have access to the e-textbook as well as the software called Connect. And Connect is what you'll be using to complete a majority of your assignments for this class. So I'm just going to show you a couple quick things here, and I just want to welcome you to the class. So once you log into Blackboard, once you've clicked into the class, you're going to click here to the click to get started, which is exactly where I am. Then you'll be clicking here, so getting started. This talks about the textbook, it talks about the class. So here it talks about the course in the textbook. It talks about the inclusive access, so there's a couple of videos there for you to watch. Here is Blackboard, so if you have never taken an online class before or with me, I know everybody sets their course up differently. So this is just a video to kind of show you how to navigate the class and kind of get around. This talks about the syllabus, an assignment schedule, syllabus here. You will post, there's a last page that you'll print off and post that, 4 points, discussion board, journal. This is just an opportunity for me to learn a little bit more about you and any additional resources I can provide you. And most importantly, this has my cell number. So this will probably be the easiest way to connect with me. So go ahead and click on that to get started. One important thing I want to mention, I know the class, it'll show you that stuff is due every Sunday. I am flexible with due dates. Just because this is a summer course, everything is open. So if you want to work ahead, that's great. Please feel free to do that. But just make sure that you're completing a few assignments every week so that you can stay on course to complete the course on time. That will be very important. Again, just because the class is condensed down to 7 weeks. So go ahead and get into the course. Click here to get started. I've opened everything up. The class is opening up a week early, so technically you would have until June 26th to log into the class, but if you want to get started early, you have that opportunity. So welcome to the class. I look forward to learning more about all of you, and if you have any questions, please let me know.